Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage's Wholesale Search feature. In this video, we're going to help you understand the functionalities of Wholesale Search. Wholesale Search is a feature in which you can scan a wholesale list. May it be a catalog or manifest from a distributor or supplier for potentially profitable products to sell on Amazon. To use the Wholesale Search feature, you will need a CSV or XLS file from a wholesaler or distributor that you have a relationship with. One thing to note is that Tactical Arbitrage won't be able to provide a list of suppliers or distributors for you. It's crucial to have a spreadsheet in CSV or XLS, as a wholesale search will not pull in any source data unless provided within the spreadsheet. Any missing source data not provided within the spreadsheet will not be shown within the results. For example, source price or source stock information. To begin a wholesale scan, you would need to select Wholesale List from the drop-down menu here. Once selected, you're going to need to upload the spreadsheet. To upload the spreadsheet, click Upload New File here. Then, click Choose File and choose your file from your computer. The CSV format works best with Wholesale Search, and if you need a template or example spreadsheet, you can download one here. After selecting the file, specify which row in the spreadsheet contains the headers. Once everything is set, click the Upload button. Then, you'll be presented to select the columns. Select the columns according to the spreadsheet. Make sure it lines up with the spreadsheet that was uploaded. For example, the UPC column should be selected here, so I'll select that. For your information, the price column here is price per unit. If your spreadsheet only provides price per pack, you're going to need a quantity per pack column, and select the quantity per pack column on the pack quantity field here. After all columns are selected accordingly, click on Upload here. Once uploaded, the name of the file should appear here. Now you can apply the filters if needed manually or by using Save Filters if you have any. Then you can start the scan. Aside from the wholesale list method we just went through, there are additional ways to use Wholesale Search. Keep in mind that Wholesale Search will not retrieve source data unless it's provided. However, the Search Wholesale Site option here is an exception to this rule. To use this option, you will need to purchase exclusive logged-in wholesale sites at tacticalbucket.com. For more information, please contact Javier at hello@tacticalbucket.com. The other search options are Search Seller Products, Search Brand Page, Quick Search, and Quick Keyword Search. If you would like to scan an Amazon seller's entire storefront, you can select Search Seller Products here. Input the seller ID and press Scan. To search by brand, select Search Brand Page from the drop-down menu. Click on the brand name field, type the brand, and select it like this. Then, just click Search. For manual entry of ASINs or UPCs, use Quick Search. Simply enter the ASIN or UPC here, and to input multiple items, separate them with a comma and a space. To scan with product title or keywords, select Quick Keyword Search here. Input the keyword or product title here, then select the Amazon category the product belongs in and click Search. Again, please note that the results of Search Seller Products, Search Brand Page, Quick Search, and Quick Keyword Search will not pull in any source data. You can also name your search here. It's optional, but naming it makes it easier to locate on your View Wholesale page. This wraps up our overview of the wholesale search options. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.